we will prepare.
Morning.
So for us, we will do a grammar activity. I I I I didn't notice that there's a missing letter for. Yeah, I think I got this one. The complete one is
Miss, hindi pa tapos. Hindi kompleto yung kay Kyle. Hindi ka gawin.
tama nga naman, hindi nga naman siya kompleto. Yeah, the one that is the search, copy, read, analyze, memorize, maintain, and recite. That's the complete.
Me, I got it right. I got it right.
I didn't notice that there's no the missing M. There's a missing M on. I think the 10 points got still by one.
I got it right. So there's letter E. One more missing. Maintain. But E, what's E? Entertain?
Actually, wala naman talaga yung ano, 'di ba? In-spell ko siya na merong missing na letter yung grammar nyo. 'Di ba?
Miss,
Ah,
so what are we gonna search?
ano?
What are we gonna search?
Wait lang, ano parang
Okay.
namang homeroom tayo, be? Excited mo naman, be?
Miss, I got the 10 points.
Miss, copy, read, analyze, memorize, maintain, explain, recite.
Explain and recite.
Explain and recite, miss.
Boo!
Wait
Okay
lang.
lang. Okay, let's be clear with that. Hi, sir.
I got 5 points because I got half of it.
Okay.
Yay.
For Kyle, let's just so we have 6 points na. 5 points, and then for Von, sorry Von, you got still by Martin.
Damn. I got 1 point plus.
I'll take this 8 points for Von, and then for Martin, let's get 10.
What the fuck?
Oh, yan na. Pwede nyo na yung pantapal sa mga activity nyo, ha?
Thank you, Miss.
Parang nakakatimi na yung iba dyan, pati yung sa ID. Pero yung sa ID, sa third quarter yun.
Miss, can you give me participation points? Look,
Creativity, 2 points.
I finished the grammar.
Ano yan? Ano ginagawa niyo? Para sa yan. Yung activity namin. Makain kami. Gutom ako.
Let's eat,
Eat well,
boys.
miss.
Aray. Ano ba to? Ang gulo naman ng tinapay na to. Parang isang pagatan yung isa yun na yan.
You can join if you want.
You don't like this one?
Hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna eat this. That's yours.
Yung texture bed, ay hindi ko feels. Uy, kumakain na siya ng ano.
Wait,
Tapos na.
masarap po to. Bibili ko lang talaga sa Shamsi.
May papatagin nga ako sa'yo bukas, pero dapat makain siya ng mainit. Kasi hindi masarap kapag malamig.
Ano na sa baunan?
O sige pa.
Ay, nga ng maawa. Tama ng bread.
Do you have the same links for today po? Like,
Ay, ano? Hindi ko dinig. Ano yan?
hindi po updated yung Google Sheets for links. So, are we gonna use the same links po?
Updated yun. Ay, wait lang. Kalimutan ko mga chong.
Updated ba?
Gugutom kasi nga ba. Naluloko kasi ako sa mga grades nyo.
Mataas kasi yan eh. Ay! PE ba? Hindi ako informed.
Oh.
No one told
Okay
me,
lang.
so I'm gonna change.
I updated it, guys.
Updated what po?
The link, my dear, the link.
Ah, now I see it. But why is
Yeah.
it so small compared to the April 15 one?
Tumabi na. Ano?
What, man?
Oh, yan.
I just see inconsistency, that's all.
Weh? Ikaw nga, hindi ka consistent. Pero hindi ko naman ka na-question.
Hehe.
Tigilan niyo ako, ha? What? O, ninakaw na kasi nila lahat ng tissue namin.
Miss, by the way, how is our classroom po?
It's a disaster.
Why?
You know your cell phone box? It's missing.
Pati ba
no.
naman yun, di pinaawat?
And then, pati yung nilagyan natin ng mga glue, wala.
Di, miss, baka
Aba.
magre-renovate. Baka magre-renovate.
Asan eh?
Someone broke in.
Miss, let's save up for safe bank, miss.
Yung mga cords ko nga, di ba, nawala? Hello? Mga cords
Miss,
Miss,
ko,
don't we have insurance?
you know the ano, what do you call this? The table packet, my table packet. The gray one na merong cords. Ay, ako kunan ko ba?
Hindi. Wipes.
Husband gusto ko ba?
Ha?
Pasensya na narinig niyo yun.
Future wipes.
Husband gusto ko.
Ano yun?
Dear future husband, there's a few things you need to know.
Oh, well, you're my mother, listen to me.
Oh, my life.
Ay,
Stop bothering me.
Pasensya na, masaya lang kami. Bago ang sakuna.
Miss, sure na ba sa Monday, miss? Miss, sure na ba sa Monday?
Anong ingay ni Miss Ivan, di ba?
Sure na ba sa Monday, miss?
I-atras ba natin?
Final na yan? Final na yan?
Atras ba natin? Gusto niyo?
Yo, bring some rocket.
Bala kayo, wala kayong allowance kung i-atras natin yan. Why?
Sabagay, sabagay.
Sige po, pati apple kung gusto ko.
Ay, oh,
Excited na ako, miss.
One more week pa, miss. Yung alin? Yung ceasefire. Tama, ano? Tama, di ba? Harap ng ano? Wait lang.
Mawawalan tayo ng baon.
bibili ulit ako niyan sa ano.
Okay. Do you wanna start the grammar or kwentuhan muna ng 12 minutes? Ano yan?
Ano po guys, grammar? Ay, sa Monday na po ba ano yun, miss? Like,
Yes!
i-re-recite?
I-check po kung buhay pa ang inyong mga brain cells, mga anak.
Hindi ba?
Kasi wala nang signal.
Okay lang ba?
I was having the last second to the last period. Napupol yung internet connection.
Yeah.
Matapos na lang
I heard Miss Divine saying na yung last, yung homeroom at saka yung kay Miss Lori fell, lahat kami kasi nawalan ng internet ang school. Kaya yun. Alam niyo si Kalma, tignan nyo, Kalma Kenex, potential risk, deny. Sino ba tong si Kalma?
Makakaakot na lang kayo lahat. Like, you don't, no need for approval. para for attendance, ikaw na lang yung mag-share.
Yes, sir.
Kumusta po?
Akala ko may lakad kayo ngayon.
Kapag
Si 12 pa yun?
kasi face to face naman na tayo.
Sa 12 ngayon.
At least,
Yeah, 12:30.
Mamaya ang 12. Okay lang naman yan. Halos asynchronous lang naman ngayon. Kasi maglilinis kaming classroom.
Wait, so Miss, we technically don't have classes?
Meron na. Asynchronous na.
No,
So the
like,
teachers will give instruction for siguro mga roughly 20 minutes siguro.
okay.
And then activity kayo.
I see.
Mhm.
this is-
Also, I also updated my score po. The math one,
Okay.
the spreadsheet.
Yeah, please update your scores kasi actually tapos na ako sa inyo eh. Check ko na lang yan kung merong changes. Yeah. Before I forgot, there is this one. Let's discuss this para hindi kayo malito. Okay. I only got limited, what do you call this? Limited na tao na nagpa-participate during the online class. So since they are limited lang, and merong mga blanco kasi hindi naman maganda kasi na i-zero natin siya, mga chong.
Okay, I'm gonna check your attendance.
Okay, here.
So those,
Okay, so it's actually done. It's here. So ang gagawin natin, there is a part of your grade kasi. Yung grade nyo kasi na performance. Kaso wala tayong naging performance kasi hindi tayo nakapag-recitation ng online, ng face-to-face. So ang gagawin natin, saan natin siya kukunin? Okay, saan natin siya kukunin? You have two sets of scores here. Okay, yung set ng score nyo is galing sa Google form, and then the other one is coming from your notebooks and the quiz part. It means this part here. Okay, kulayin lang natin siya. Ito, or the blue one. Ang gusto kong sabihin is that this one or this one will be reflected on your performance part para hindi lang siya maging zero lahat. Okay? So, choose one. Choose one among the two. Choose one among the two. Yes, Mabin.
You should pick the blue one, Miss.
Yeah, because the scores are better.
No,
Ako
because
din,
I wasn't. Miss, we just got used. We were just starting online class, okay? We were not used to it, but then after spring break, now we're used to it. You know.
Okay ba? Okay, any opposition with the suggestion of Mavin? Look at your scores, ha? Wait lang. No naman kayo niyan. Tapos di nyo na naman alam kung paano i-compute iyan. Ako na, kukompute ko na para makita nyo.
essentially. We are still following naman the schedule for like the usual schedule.
3 pala talaga to. Okay, dito tayo ha. Dito tayo sa sum. Okay, so that's it. And then this one. Yeah. That's your score. Okay. So this is your score. 29. See, David got 29 over 53. This is your total here. Okay. Let's see what happens if we use the other one. So this is this one. 10, 20. Asa lang. 10. Hindi ba tig to 2 points yung isa nyo? Kasi sa ibang section, tig to 2 points. Alright, so that is 35 for the other one. Okay, for the other one, it's a total of 35. And then, may formula ba ako dito? Sige. Ulitin ko na lang para madrag siya. Ay, hindi talaga. Na-stress ako.
Wala dito, play. Tapos later, screenshot mo na lang rin.
Rates. Okay. That's your score. Okay. As you see, which do you think is better? Which
Miss,
do
I
you
think the blue one's better.
Yeah. Okay. Well, for this one, wala na tayong magagawa dyan, kuya. Ha? Ang kulit kasi, wala kasi siyang point.
Kailangan editing daw.
Last call for Rigel. Last call for Rigel. Ito. Ibablanko ko na yan. 0 na yan. Ito din, oh. Okay. Sige, we will use this one. Okay, so it means you will see on the computation, this 3 will be included. Okay. Meron tayong meron tayong opposition. Oh. Sige. Okay. And then for the recitation part, I will use the highest points basis. Ibig sabihin, here. There's recitation. Okay, highest. Okay, yes, Marvin.
Miss, you forgot a T.
Thank you.
Yes.
Nag-spike na ba ang OCD mo, Marvin?
I don't have it.
You'll never know. Do you know what does highest points basis? No. Example. Si Kyle during the online class, sabihin na natin eto, hindi ko pa kasi tinignan yung hindi pa ako nagbilang ng tally. Okay, ganwari si Kyle ay nakakuha ng 20. Okay, 20 during the online class. So it means he participated 20 times during the question and answer portion. Okay, so 20 here would be the basis and that would be the ceiling for 98 points. Gets nyo? Okay. Tapos, kunwari, si Marvin got 18. Ano yung susunod na score? Mathematical system, huwag kayo. Ayusin nyo yan. Nasa exam yan.
96.
Ayan. 96. Okay. Next one. Suppose that Ortega got 15.
Pag nag-13, ka na na
93.
What's your first?
93.
90?
93.
93 po.
Ang sabi.
93.
Under rin na yan.
Tama. Nice.
Ganyan lang yan, ha? Ganyan lang yung basis ko. Lagi akong dito sa unahan. So it means automatic the highest point, the one that got the highest point, automatic 98 yun. Okay, automatic 98 siya. Okay, hindi ko ganong, be honest with you, ha? Hindi ko ganong narinig si Bacol, si Garcia, si Banhaw, Rigel, minsan nung tinanong ko siya hindi siya sumagot. Si Nash lagi tahimik. Tapos si King nakapag-participate ng wait lang, tingnan ko. 2, 3. Tapos Gentapangan. Wala kang record, Gentapangan. 75 yun, darling.
Pwede na po.
Okay. Tapos si Renz,
Mga ano ba?
wala nang record si Renz.
Goodbye.
Si Martin, meron naman. Tagindin, sorry. Ego, meron. Torres. Ay, Torres. Tayel, meron. Grofel, wala ka Grofel. Bakit? Bansag, Haven. Oy, Haven, wala ka. Tuason, walang mic, di ba? Bumpanis. Jesser, meron.
Yes, yes. Someone called me.
Wala, didn't even mention your name, ha?
I
Hello?
heard someone say panis.
Huh? Miss
No.
po, is it me or Carl po?
Alfonso is okay. Meron siya.
The other
I'm
Carl.
okay po. I'm complete.
Yeah, Alfonso has a record. And then Tuason na Carl. Wala po. Pasensya na. Malungkot nga ni. Wala kasi siyang mic, kuya. Uy, grabe si Jasser, pumayat siya. Oo. Jasser, kumusta yung tissue? Magre-refill ulit tayo.
Gusto mo makita, miss? 1 second.
Sige. Mabuhay, Jasser.
Mabuhay,
Just
Pilipinas!
Why not help me clean the room, yeah? He's the closest one.
Miss, if you go to school, can we clean
Oo,
the classroom, miss?
Ano naman? Alisin mo yung background mo, hindi mo namin makita. Ay, nakaka-proud naman yun si Jasser. Ay, bumaya
Miss,
naman
pin the
talaga
screen,
siya.
miss. I can't
Oh.
see.
Pin nyo nga, miss.
Okay pa naman. Thank you.
That's a lot.
You have to bring that on Monday. Maglalakad ka lang ba? Okay.
Miss,
Nakaka-proud
he's
naman.
like 3 minutes away from school.
Really?
Like
Grabe
it's
naman ang
beside
sweet naman
school
mga
po.
kapatid ni Bono. Mayroon pang pakiskis dyan kay Kuya. Ayan, sweet naman eh.
Lablab ako.
Nakita na natin ang glass skin ni Bono. So happy. Okay na, wala kayong tanong. Babalik-balik na sa Monday ha. Walang palilate sa inyo. Pakiayos po ang grooming nyo. I will...
May sakit
Ano?
po ako sa Monday.
Ay, Eddie Meow. Eddie Meow.
Miss, may scheduled na sakit, miss.
Bala kayo? Ako din para magkakasakit sa Monday. Wala daw yung advisor. Alright.
Miss, present.
Sige ha. I will
Present ako sa mga
yung online class ng 1 week. Sayel, your chat, I'm not the one to decide for that. Kasi nga, SPEA yan. Kung ako lang tatanungin, gusto ko matapos muna the ceasefire, the 1 week ceasefire pa. Kasi we don't know what will happen after April 22 ha. Pero we pray, of course. Pray for this country, for the betterment of the situation. All right. So I will just give you guys the instruction. Dito na lang ba or sa GC ng WhatsApp na lang? Google Classroom na lang.
GC na lang, miss.
Both, miss. Both.
Daming request sa mga bata.
G-class na po.
I will do the same with the other section, pero yung grade 10. Kasi kailangan ko silang i-mix. Okay, and any more question before we leave the conference and do your scrapper? You, i-separate nyo na kasi 4th quarter na po tayo. Ay, wait! May assignment kayo eh.
Whoa!
Ano, wow? Ano,
We
wow?
didn't hear
Wait,
anything about that.
Kita mo lang mag-
Oh, yeah, no,
What assignment?
Miss, bro, y'all gotta listen to Miss.
What assignment?
The listing one and the systematic listing and
Miss, I'm done
the
with that.
table method. Hello, the dice and the and the coin.
I didn't hear anything about that.
Sino yung nakatapos na? Magtaas ng kamay ang nakatapos. Dali, mag-check tayo. Kapag maraming nakatapos, talaga naman, check natin ngayon yun. Ano, kainis kayo ha? Gigil niyo ako.
So for our subject for today, since
1, 2, 3, 4. 5 lang? Ay, mga bayani talaga.
7.
The activity, the listing. 1, 2, 3. 7 lang? Ay, ang ginawa ng iba?
Miss, last points na lang, Miss.
Ang ginawa ng iba? Ay, we will check.
We didn't hear.
We will check para masiro kay sa activity na hindi ginagawa.
Una!
Okay, saan tayo bali 7 lang to ha. 7 lang ang dapat merong score sa activity 1. Kainis kayo. Konti-konti lang ang score ko.
Miss, I have it right here.
Sa notebook niyo ba siya sinulat? Sino nagsulat?
Yes po, you said sa notebook po.
Okay. Ay, ayoko mag-set up ng ano. Okay, Marvin will do it. You write the
Checking.
answer.
Oh, okay po.
You share,
Alright, let me pull up Notepad real quick.
sige.
Yeah, sure thing. And then we will
Okay,
answer.
give me like 1 minute.
Miss, recitation na natin.
O sige, habang hindi pa nag-aano muna si Marvin, you do it na, faster. I'll give you 3 minutes to do it, faster.
What listing, Miss? The systematic listing, Miss?
Listing lang yun. How many results? 12 lang. Wait,
Activity 1.
Wait, Marvin. Bigyan mo silang 3 minutes.
Miss! Yung dun sa dress.
Wait.
Yung sa dress ba, miss?
3 minutes, miss. Okay, I'm gonna work on it while you guys are doing that.
Yung sa dress?
Yung
3
sa dress
minutes.
ba?
Yung dice at saka sa coin.
Dice tsaka coin.
Miss, I'm gonna work on the answer sheet po.
Ano po yung
Sige.
question, miss?
Kyle, tulungan mo ako. Naglo-loading na naman sila.
Submit.
Yeah, I told you to take a screenshot of the activity, right?
Yun ang tatanong.
It
The
said
S and the
that
BS, miss?
you have to get the outcomes when you have to toss a coin once and then a dice. Dice and
Yes,
coin.
I have the picture. Can I send it in the WhatsApp group for them to answer?
The problem.
I mean, I have like
The
the activity. I don't have. I have the activity too. Like the one you showed. Not. It's not. There's no answers there.
Oh, sige lang. Send mo lang sa WhatsApp. Ay, 3
Yo,
minutes.
GC also, David.
Ay.
I'll send
Gumagana.
in the lab news.
Chong. Gumagana
Miss
3
ito,
minutes.
miss. Parang ito. Miss yung listing, miss. Miss yung listing, miss. Tama.
Ayan, sige, bilisan mo. Para sumaya tayo.
Tama, miss.
Yeah.
Ah,
I sent it na po.
I was wrong.
Yeah.
That one.
Oy, 1 minute na lang tayo,
Okay.
oy.
Flipping a
One
coin and rolling a die. Ay, naku.
Okay.
First activity nyo, skip nyo, no? Ay, kakaiba naman talaga naman kayo, mga...
Okay, work on your output. Kung kailangan nyo ipasa.
So,
Kasi,
like we need to answer the flip.
Using listing at saka table form.
emailing na po.
Ay, nag-leave na si Miss Divine. Ano ba yan? O na. Kasi maglilinis na kami ng classroom.
Alam naman talaga.
So, if you guys are going to clean the classroom, so there's no class.
All by
I don't think I understand what asynchronous means.
being an advisor of your
Narinig niyo si Miss Divine.
You are so sharp. And I promise you, kasi wala sila.
Alam niyo, sabi ni Miss Divine, malinis na malinis daw yung floor ng 8C ngayon. Kasi walang tao. Wait lang ha. Ano natin? I-floor check natin.
So far, this is the cleanest floor that I encountered in grade 8.
Ang linis.
Nasaan yung room natin? Nasaan yung room natin? Ilabas nyo, ilabas.
It's already, like, it's already clean. If you think that it's not that clean, this is the cleanest na floor so far na encountered.
Parang polished ka.
It's clean because no one's there.
Yeah, exactly. That's
Miss.
it.
Time's over po. I'm gonna screen share the answer sheet na po.
Okay, wait lang. Tapos
Miss,
na.
I did it in time! I did it in time! Miss, nakasagot ako! Meron ako.
Oh, let's go. Share, Mavin, share. Mukha akong ano. O yan. Ay, tumigil na kayo. Huwag na kayong magsusulat-sulat dyan. Mag-check na tayo.
Nice like this po.
All right. If you have the same answer as Mavin's, kahit
Tama.
not in order sila, kahit hindi sila in order, pero yung doon sa table dapat in order sila kasi table form yun. Okay? So for your listing, it is 12 points and at the same time, yung table form nyo is 12 points as well. Oh, meron kayong 24. You just lost 24 people. Kasi hindi nyo ginawa.
I gained 24. Thank you, miss.
Yeah, the others.
Okay.
The others, nawalan sila ng 24.
Again.
Miss, papicture. Can I take a pic of that and then like make it as a note?
Okay lang, sige lang. Kokopin mo lang yan eh, Bon. Alam ko yung mga stylean mo. Ano eh.
No.
Sasabihin mo ang
We
ginawa mo eh.
already checked it. We already checked it. I'm not like that.
Uy,
Labo pa. Labo pa.
good kuya pala tong si Bon ah. Sana all.
Miss, what's the Scrum activity po?
Wait lang. Ano, nag-check pa yung mga klase mo. Excited talaga tong si Martin.
Wait, is it activity or just review?
It's in line with the fourth quarter lesson po.
Oh, so it's just a review. Okay po.
It's not a review. Ano pa, Marvin? May tanong pa ba? Oh, thanks. 3, 4, 5, 6.
I have to appreciate Kyle for that. Thank you.
Oo nga, tama siya. Double T3 nga yun.
What double three?
Okay,
The company? Like
Okay,
double three? The hotel? I only see one.
Foul.
Miss, what classes will come? And what classes will not have class po?
Lahat magkaklase nga. Kaso, half.
Half lang.
Ilang
Why?
beses ko pa yung ulitin
What
ngayon.
are we gonna do for extracurricular and homeroom po?
No,
There's
what if
no
we go to the-
extracurricular tsaka homeroom.
Okay po.
Yeah.
For extracurricular, we just go to school and then clean the school. Yes.
What?
Yeah, right. That's a better idea, you know. Okay
Cleaning
na.
classroom exercise.
Okay na po. Wait lang. I need to bring this up with you guys. Do I need to mention some names?
So yes, let's be specific.
For authenticity.
I'll be specific then. Let's start with Riego. Riego, you used an AI, right? During the quarter exam?
No.
Wag
Why was there a
Riego.
pause? Why was there a pause, Miss?
May detector, miss,
No.
may detector.
Wag ka, Riego.
Wala nga, Ning. Ba naman yung sumero?
Paano ka dyan? Pare-pares kayo ng sagot ng 8B at saka 8A.
Kasi all have the same questions.
Come on. Merong unique solution. Hello.
Wala naman ng AI. Di ako marunong dun eh.
Oh,
I don't use AI. I've never used AI in my entire life.
ChatGPT
Wala
wire.
Wow.
I use AI for making a Pokemon Showdown team. Like, that's the only
Didn't you
thing I
say
do.
you never used AI?
For school. Okay?
Oof. Miss, he's not being specific. This is what
Okay, let
the
me be
last quarter
specific.
was
I've
about.
never used AI in school activities or exams. On my life.
and then
I think I'm not dying yet.
Garcia as well.
May Zeus himself strike me down.
Garcia.
Wow.
Mga ano nyo, kasi there are items na tama naman dapat kayo pero hindi ko siya kinonsider. Kasi, meron sa inyo naka 27 na alerts pero hindi siya tumigil kahit alam niyan 27 na alerts na.
Yes. How are you sure that that is AI though?
Try mong i-enter sa ChatGPT yon. One only. Wait, the clue is basically on the problem. It's like kapag nabanggit niya na sides, automatic. It's Kalin siya, isosceles, and so on. And then, pag angles naman ang tinanong niya, ang given, definitely, doon na tayo sa acute obtuse, right? Kaya nalito kayo doon. Nakita ko yung nalito nyo doon. What happened to it?
Why am I so
Kuya
dumb?
Bon. Kuya Bon, ba't ka sumisigaw? Kuya Bon.
So dumb.
Na tumama ka ba? O
May close na pala. Bakit di nyo sinabi agad, miss?
Oh, kita nyo.
Bakit?
Nan-share? Oo. Complete sa amin, kuya.
Ano yan?
How about the teacher's table? We don't have it. Nilinis ang teacher's table? Teacher's table.
Hello, kuya. Hello, kuya.
Sa amin ilan? Oh, hello, kuya daw. Oh, si kuya. Oh, yun. Oh, yun, oh.
Dun sa camera, Miss Eric.
Oh, hi,
Kaya
daw.
sa play ko po.
Miss,
Yes,
is it
okay.
hot in the classroom, miss?
Yan, sa play namin
Later,
yan.
you want the classroom tour? O magstay kayo dyan, tapos maglinis ako. Try nyo kaya, no? Ako lang magin sa dulo.
Kaya isukli po namin.
Ito 35
We will stay here,
Oh,
miss.
I will post this grammar now, ha? Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot na lang para... Pero sige, I will post, ha? Okay, let's have the word one.
Miss, may bawas ba pag di natapos yung ano? Pag di nagawa yung table?
Outcomes.
Alright, miss, do I stop screen sharing?
I will screen share.
Wait, let me copy.
Oh, yes. I'm just on grammar. Activity 1, 2, 3.
Miss, tas meron pa tayo isang activity. Yung SBS something ganun.
Anong S?
Na-check na yun.
Check na natin yun, di ba? Sinulat ko.
Yeah, we did.
Hindi na
Self-checking.
natin 10,
Be on
hindi
it.
na natin 9 tayo, guys.
Oo, ano yun? 9 out of 9? Oy,
Oh,
ano kayo 24 at saka 9 na. Paldo na kayo dyan.
pag di nagawa yung table, ano, may bawas.
Ay, syempre 12 points
Or
yun,
what?
kuya. Kuya, 12 points
Okay.
yun.
Hindi 12 lang.
Kuya Martin,
Okay.
12 yun.
Hindi 12 lang. Kalahati lang nakuha ko, miss.
Feeling ko magiging mas easy yung quarter exam. Kasi easy yung topic
Miss,
na yun.
talagang nagiging easier and easier na talaga.
Ayun na naman yung easy ni miss.
Oh, kita mo. Madali lang naman
Hindi
yung
ka
exam.
naniniwala, Born eh. Ano,
Pag bakit yung ganyan,
miss,
kinakabahan ako.
madali na naman talaga, pero
Nagtutulungan
madali
niyo ba
na
ako?
talaga, miss, pero ano,
Pero
yung sagot.
wait lang.
Sa pagsagot lang, ano, na mali, miss.
Online exam is too strict, you know. Like one small mistake is wrong.
Miss, the all caps, miss, the all caps. Tama
Yeah,
naman.
kasi-
If you're wrong, you're wrong.
Instruction. All right.
Miss,
We'll
yung
do
ano, yung grammar.
na. Marvin, I will share. Sige, okay
Understood,
lang.
miss.
All right. So here we go. Okay, this is your scammer. Wait lang.
Wait, miss, we did this last time with the axiom and conditional statements.
Oh my gosh, Marvin.
Lock
Oo
in,
nga.
my friend, lock in.
Gigil po, Kuya Mabi. Sabi ko nga ko yung scroller activity is the same process, my friend.
Okay, miss.
Wait,
I
miss,
just wanted
miss,
to make sure.
Miss, can I say something?
Yeah.
Diba, last time you said the ones who participated already from the last grammar will not participate or can participate.
Yes. Ayaw.
Let's go.
Wait lang.
Miss, that doesn't mean that means I don't need to
Wait,
participate. Let's go.
wait. Meron tayong recitation pa. Hanapin ko nga yung listahan doon.
It's quarterly 4 now.
Pwede pa yun. O kaya, ano bang gagawin natin? O sige, ganito ha. Kasi meron pala tayong list ng mga nag-participate na before. Pero parang same lang naman yung mga nag-participate before ha. Paano na yan
So-
mga ano?
You said we can still participate if we want, di ba po?
Yeah.
Oh,
Tama
see?
naman.
Oh.
Wait lang. Okay, let's agree with this na lang ha, para ano. Yung na-scrammer ng third quarter, do you want it to use na lang ng fourth quarter? Para halos buo ang sa scrammer activity nyo. Kasi merong mga naka 25 points na din doon tsaka 28 points
Sige, miss. No, what about our scores in third quarter? Oh, wait.
Parang parehas lang din naman na tao yung mga nag-participate, mga nag-volunteer ng araw na yun.
Miss, we got honors po.
Sige, ako na lang, ano ko na lang siya. Tignan
Kayo na
ko kung
bahala,
ano.
miss.
Yes, mas
Surprise na
best.
lang. Surprise.
Surprise nga ni. Sige lang. Yep,
Done na tayo po.
wait lang. Wait. Okay, so that's just it. Did you take a screenshot? I will send it on the Google Classroom as well. And then, Monday na to. Okay, Monday na ito. Yes, question me,
Is there points for
Esther.
copying it, and is there points for reciting it?
Alin?
Is there points for finding the meaning? Is there points for reciting it?
Both.
Di ba I told you, it's your responsibility to get the meaning and then to study it.
I see.
Okay, and then I will only check that one. Kung meron kayong ginawa, doon kapag ni-recite nyo na siya. Pero I will, dapat it is reflected on your notebook.
Okay po.
Kapag, di ba ang project dapat natin is notebook? Hindi
Mm.
na rin yan notebook yung kasi deadline of grades mamaya. OC. Oh, 17 ba? OC, Okay na,
Which
question.
classroom is that?
Miss, I have a question.
Yeah.
Just to confirm, the
Yes.
ones last time who did the scrammer, if they want to do it again, they can do it?
Yes.
Or if they don't want to, they don't need to do it. But
Oh
they'll
yeah,
keep-
if you are satisfied with your points, then that's totally fine.
Okay po.
Kung hindi ka pa satisfied doon sa points mo, pwede ka magdagdag. Or still points na lang siguro. Still points. Kapag meron akong additional or follow-up question, you can still, para malagay lang, makomplete lang yung points mo. Yes, David.
How about those who didn't do the quarterly 3?
Ano daw?
Scrambled. The quarterly 3 scrambled.
Scramble?
No, like
Scrambled eggs, miss. Scrambled eggs.
Boy,
Axiom.
scramble!
Axiom.
Scramble ng tomboy.
Scrambled.
Okay.
Yung parang
Because I didn't do it.
Kyle, can you help David with the question? Kasi-
Like, so
Yeah, me too. Sorry, I
I
heard
don't know how
scramble.
to say it. I didn't know how to say it. How about those who didn't do the quarterly 3 scramble? Yeah. Do they
Guys, I have a question. Scrammer.
Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, di ba? Since I think there are only 11 or 12 who participated in the first crammer. So basically, 50% to 60% of you guys did not get the chance to participate in the first one, which happened during the third quarter. That's why I'm asking you if we can put all the Scrummer activity on the fourth quarter na lang para pare-parehas na yung score ng Scrummer lahat. Okay? And then clarification with the ones that did not or are not able to participate. Definitely you are the priority for fourth quarter. Kasi okay na naman yung mga nag-participate before. Ang hinahabol lang nila is that if they wanted to participate more during the still points or follow-up question so that they'll gain another point, okay na yon. Okay yon. If they are satisfied already with their points, they can skip yung participation.
Okay.
Okay?
Oh, sorry, Miss, I couldn't hear that clearly. Could you say that one more time?
Miss Paul, what's the grammar?
Kuya Kyle, help.
Marvin, what's the grammar?
Miss, I have a question.
What's the grammar?
What time is it?
Oh, scram. Yeah.
Kyle,
noon.
could you say to what Miss said?
Kyle.
Scrambles.
Kuya Kyle.
Kyle. Yes, send me the screenshot.
Scrambled eggs.
Sabi ko, di ba, ang instruction ay 20 minutes lang, pero umaabot na ng isang oras. kuya.
Scrambled.
Scrambled eggs.
No, well, the points.
No, I shared that.
Miss, can I have a question?
Miss Erin died.
No.
Miss.
Oh.
Ay, Kyle pala, Kyle. Can you send me the screenshot para dun sa re-reviewin?
Wait lang, I will send
Thank you, Kyle.
to Google Classroom.
Sawadee-kap.
Sawadee-ka.
My bad, guys.
Wait lang. Google Classroom tayo, people. Alright.
Miss, Miss, I have a question. Can I ask a question, please?
Oh.
So like the ones who answered like last time, the points they will have will be kept, and then the one if you want to answer again now, the points you will have now will be added to that one in the third quarter, or
Yes, it will be added.
ah
Again, for those who participated last time, you have a missed point already. If you are satisfied with your points, so example, Lucido got say 22 over 25. Okay, 22 over 25. This is just an example. Okay, since he's not, he did not get the perfect score, pwede ba siyang mag-steal ng 3 points pa?
Miss, also, if I remember correctly, I still have some extra points from when I first did the other one in third quarter.
Oo, sige nga pwede.
Yes, the example.
Put that on my quarterly test.
No, you can't use that. That's the recitation. Did we just agreed, right, that they will be used on the fourth quarter?
Okay.
Thank you, Miss, for the ID points.
Thank you, Miss. We really appreciate it.
Oo, kasi even without my instruction, meron talaga nag-follow ng instruction. Meron talagang nag-follow ng proper way na mag-dress up, even though it's just online. Alright.
Miss, so like, isi-search online yung meanings para dun sa scammer, tapos kung ano yung ilabas dun,
Ano
i-memorize
ba yung
namin.
ginawa mo last time? What did you do last time?
Okay.
That's the same process. It's the same process.
Thank you, Miss.
Miss, do you
Okay, same
volunteer or
process
you
lang,
call
Miss.
someone else, Miss?
I ask for volunteer first, pero pag wala na random.
And if nobody picks volunteer, Miss will do randomize. We can do wheels.
What do you mean will spin?
Okay, I'll be posting it on the Google Classroom. Please see the instruction for asynchronous class for mathematics.
Miss, is it hot in the classroom, Miss? Or
There's
is it
no
cold?
AC at all.
I feel bad, miss.
Ah, okay.
Is it
Go
like
to our
it-
classroom.
what's
Miss.
the
Very
weather?
cold
What's the
there.
weather today?
What's the weather? What's
Hot
the
outside po?
weather? Yes, it is. What's the ano ba? Wala siyang ano. Hindi niya kasi ma-detect ang temperature here. Oh, it says 28 degrees. Yeah. That's the estimation ng ating temperature. Ayon sa laptop. Is this bus of my homebound? All right, so it is posted now. Please visit your Google Classroom. Then I'm gonna leave you guys and wait for your teachers, other teachers' instruction, huh?
Okay po.
Baka kasi you check your
Oh,
Google Classroom
oh.
kasi baka mag-announce na din sila doon. Asynchronous class instruction for mathematics. All right, let's jump it.
Bye, miss.
So no more math, guys, because math is finished. So
Lang.
yes, just saying.
Nangyari.
Bye, miss.
Konnichiwa.
Bye.
Take care po.
See you on Monday.
Bye, Miss.
Or your group.
Good luck cleaning.
Ay, your grooming ha. Pag naman.
I'm growing my hair.
good. I don't want to lose his hair, Rick.
Bilin sa lunes.
Yeah,
Magpabasta.
Jasper. Grooming Jasper.
Don't
Yo,
tigil ha.
I could have
Good
been
luck, miss.
Bye.
See ya.
Bye po. Is
Go
the
lang,
cleaning
go lang.
gonna be hard po?
Ha? Yeah, I guess.
A lot to clean?
gonna be hard cleaning without us, miss.
Yes.
I'll go there. I'll go there. Wait lang.
What?
I
What?
wanna walk. Pupunta ako sa room para makita niyo kung gaano kalinis. Gigil niyo ako. Wait lang. Oh, napaka-busy ng mga teacher. Saan ka nag-stay? Tignan daw nila yung klase.
Oh, wow. Saan ka nag-stay?
Ay, mas di ba?
8 diyan.
Oo.
Ano, Nash?
Sabi ko, asynchronous na ako.
Buti nga nagtuturo ako ng quiz.
Pang linis man ako. Ay, nag-announce na rin ako sa
Kaya.
There you go.
Marhaba, sir. Marhaba. Marhaba.
Oopsie. Okay, let's check it. Oh, there's no light at all. Oh, may upuan. That's not my upuan. It's not my upuan.
Finally, the janitors are cleaning.
I think the classroom is clean.
Wow. Hey, new seating arrangement.
No. I will fix it. Or
Hey,
kaya kayo ang ipapifix ko dyan. That's your first one. Yung upuan na Miss Divine na sa atin. Eto tignan nyo yun nakakalat, di ba? Tapos ito, dumi-dumi. Buti nga binalik nila yun nilalagyan ng cellphone natin. Yun lang. Nandito pa rin to.
Ano yun po?
Accounts.
Still pending, miss?
Ay, there's a new list for the accounts though. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Ay, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ay, tama. 28. Ay, di-design ko yon later. Wala na. Oh, buhay pa palang mga ilaw natin, mga kababayan. Pero wala pa rin aircon sa room na to. Ano na, sige na, mag-activity na kayo. Paalam.
Goodbye, miss.
Bye.
Take care po.
Bye-bye. See you.
Farewell.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Miss you,
See you next week po.
See you on Monday.
See you face to face.
Yung mga buhok mo, huwag niyo akong gigigilin, no? Yung buhok
I
niya.
did